Yo guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be trolling people and troll them with sound barrier. Yeah, let's get into it.
Guys, can somebody let me
Can I
edit,
have
please?
editor?
No. I bet the cat I should.
Pre-op 12.
Hey, can you do that for me?
Can I have
This is
editor?
guys, don't
math
worry.
class.
Can I have
I'm doing
editor?
math class.
Have editor.
You just gotta lower the seat.
How did I get banned, bro? This ain't turning out how I wanted it to be.
He left.
Can I have editor, please?
Which RP do you want to do?
Can I please have editor?
Do you want to do like an RP?
I want to build something. It's cool, bro. It's cool. It's cool. It's very cool. I'm actually trusting you. It's really cool.
Can we do a school RP?
It's really cool. It's really cool. I promise you. Promise.
I just. Oh, wrong person! Dang it! Wrong person.
Thank you.
How about?
Just quickly. I'll be. Can I test it on you though?
I have an idea. How about we go into like an empty one?
Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Can you like go into your cell like an actual person? I need to test this if it works. It works.
How the heck? How the heck? You can make a. You can make a pizza.
The most overpowered block in the game.
You can make a pizza with that. Or it's not gonna. Probably when you're holding it. It's not gonna... My. Whee! Did my voice went crazy?
Yeah.
You try.
I'm just him. I don't get fly.
Okay, RP. Okay, so which RP? Get on. Drop. Drop.
Bro, can I just like pick a RP in peace, bro?
Can you please stop it in he wants to pick an RP.
I don't know if you heard that, but got a new sound bits for a sec. Okay.
Harold Lad.
Harold Lad.
Harold Lad.
The truck.
Bro, he created.
Someone take out the trash.
Now I can. You're my 30th verified creator I met. Or actually friended. You're my 30th verified creator that I friended, bro. I just realized that. 30th. I bet you don't have Converse added. I have Cosmic. I use.
Who's verified? Who's verified?
Wait, guys, I need to tell you
friended him and then
Nate,
he blocked me.
Nate. It was not easy. Jake had like security guards
guarding his batteries and shit, and then I got shot, right? So I had to speed run.
Oh,
I had to speed run the hospital, right? So I went to the hospital. And then I came
those
back,
are
right? And I
verified.
realized I had my own batteries.
So you got
So,
shot
yeah.
for literally nothing.
Yeah.
I don't have any batteries, so if my controller's down, I'm cooked.
I'm not looking for a verified though today. It's the first time I've seen a verified.
Different level, buddy. That I'm
Holy
making
shit,
right
this
now.
is
It's a different
scary.
level.
What happened?
Yeah, I'm not done. I'm not done with this level yet. I still got- you have the global arms.
Run! Ah!
What?
Controlled one person. I'm gonna try to troll another person. Just one more. Can I have editor, please? Can I have editor, please? Oh, you're breaking the sound barrier too. That's what I'm trying to do.
I'm super smart now.
Can I have editor, please? I'm really good at these stuff. I'm really good at breaking sound barriers. Trust me, bro. Trust me.
What is
We're not gonna find another. We're not gonna troll another people. But
Cut up.
bye bye.